The 4th and 5th grade is so happy to report the success of our collection drive for Operation Santa Paws. We are so grateful for your help in making this project a huge success. Yesterday, the 4th and 5th grades delivered over 493 pounds of donations to the San Diego Animal Shelter. Your donations were sorted and weighed. They include 69 towels and blankets, 108 cans of cat and dog food, 250 pounds of dry dog and cat food, 39 pounds of dog and cat treats, 85 dog and cat toys, 20 pounds of other animal items like beds, towels, dog bowls, and carriers, 7 pounds of shampoo and conditioner. Thank you so much for your kindness and generosity. Together, we truly have made a difference in the lives of many homeless animals this holiday season.